Yep, next up, 12-year-old boys, Casper, Ložar, Dessel, Buffet, Demiser, Ratnik, and Mariani and James Clitheroe from Great Britain. Taking you to the top of the gate in lane number 8. Doing it for Switzerland, the very familiar figure of Jules Casper. Gate 7 on the 982. Out of Slovenia, it's Jošt Ložar. Gate number 6 on the 18 plate. From the BMX club from Belgium is Jaden Delocht. Plate 5 on the 102 out of France, it's Tom Buffet. Gate 4 on the 3 plate, they call him the Little Dragon. From Belgium, it's Rio de Meijer.
His mum's just here, watching, ready.
Plate 806 out of Latvia, Ralf Ratniks. On the 620 out of Italy, gate number 2, it's Matteo Mariani. And lane number 1, doing it for Great Britain, it is James Clitheroe. Alright, here we go. 12-year-old boys, European Championship final. Let's see what happens. Alright, they are go. Oh, Clitheroe didn't get the start he wanted, and Mariani has moved his way across now. Is he going to get the whole shot going into turn 1? Oh! Carnage! 1, 2, 3, 4 of them have gone. Everybody in absolute disarray, including James Clitheroe. That's left Jules Casper, I think it is, out there in front at the moment. So the Swiss riders in there. Casper in 1-0-2 going through. That is Tom Buffet in that second spot. The Slovenian rider in there in 3 is Jošt Ložar, and Mariani's in there in 4. Everybody else picking themselves up right now, but as they go in and out of the final turn, Jules Casper of Switzerland, he's going to take the European title in the 12-year-old boys category. 102, that's Tom Buffet in 2, Slovenia are in for 3, and the 18 play of Jaden Delocht in 4, but all the action was right out the front. There was a back wheel buzz, that took James Clitheroe down, Ralf Ratniks went down in it as well. Clitheroe was struggling from minute 1 because he didn't get out of the gates.